Welcome to ClearTask. If you accidentally deleted your YouTube channel and want it back, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you exactly how to recover it quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and navigate to youtube.com/support. In the search bar on the screen, type deleted YouTube account recovery and press enter. Next, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. Scroll all the way down and click on Submit Feedback. You will be prompted to send feedback. Click on Next to open the text box. Here, you need to clearly explain your situation. Briefly state that your channel was deleted and that you want to recover it. Make sure to include important details like your channel name, the URL if you have it, and the email address linked to the account. Be polite and clear about why it was deleted and why you need it back. Once you have typed out your message, click the send button at the bottom. This submits your recovery request directly to the YouTube team. They will review your case and reply to your email within a few days. As a quick bonus tip, if your YouTube channel was set up as a brand account, there is an even faster way. Just go to myaccount.google.com/brandaccounts, click on deleted accounts, and simply click the restore icon next to your channel name to instantly recover it. That is all it takes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straight to the point tutorials. Thanks for watching.